Hello, everyone, and welcome to immigrationquestions.com's live trivia, which is this is the June edition, and I'm your host, Simia Murat. So today's questions are based on recent immigration news and updates from immigrationquestion.com. So if you've been keeping up with our blogs, with our posts, you've got a real advantage. And of course, we've got a prize. One winner today will receive a free consultation with an immigration attorney in our network. So here's how it goes. We've got five questions. The first four questions each have a winner, and then the first person to answer correctly in the comments wins that round. But winning a round only qualifies you for the final question, and that's where everything is decided. So the fifth question is just essentially winner takes all. So stay sharp and stay on your feet, and let's begin. So, for anyone just joining, remember that the first correct answer wins each round, and then the final question, which is question number 5, basically decides the final consultation winner. Okay. Question number 1. Where did an ICE arrest that sparked backlash from state and local officials take place? Is it A, outside a Baltimore school, B, inside a federal courthouse, or C, at a border checkpoint? Hi, GP7C. Do you have an answer for us? I think it's B. Ooh, unfortunately, you're wrong, but you can give it another go. I'll read the options to you again. A, outside a Baltimore school, B, inside a federal courthouse, or C, at a border checkpoint. So we know B is not the right answer. So it's between A and C. Hmm. It's A, Baltimore. Ooh, that is correct. And you are our first round winner, right? And you will be moving into the final. Okay, now we're going to move on to question number 2. Who does immigrationquestion.com bring together on its platform? I think this one is pretty simple, but I'll still give you guys the options. Is it A, immigration attorneys and people with immigration questions? Is it B, government agencies and visa workers or visa officers? Or is it C, employers and foreign workers only? Please remember you can put your answers in the comments down below. Just put the option that you choose. Is it A, B, or C? Can we get clues? Okay. I don't want to give too much away because this one is really simple. So, but if you've been following immigrationquestion.com, you know that we're this networking platform that brings people together. But think about the types of people that we bring together, through our webinars and through the information that we give. So the options were A, immigration attorneys and people with immigration questions, B, government agencies and visa officers, or C, employers and foreign workers only. So think about what immigrationquestion.com does. C, foreign employers and foreign workers. Okay, so unfortunately, that is not correct. The correct answer is A, immigration attorneys and people with immigration questions. That's okay. We're going to move on to the next question. Maybe the next question will be your question. Question number 3. What did the Supreme Court agree to hear regarding the Trump administration's immigration detention policy? So, this question kind of involves legal challenge. Think about the court reviewing a previous decision, right? And think about what immigration question does. Who do we deal with? Because the answer is kind of in the question. So I'm going to repeat the question. What did the Supreme Court agree to hear regarding the Trump administration's immigration detention policy? So remember, I said that this involves a legal challenge, right? And also think about the court reviewing a previous decision, right? Think about what's going on in the news right now. Think about the things that Trump is saying, the people that he's against. Think about things like that. An appeal for immigrant detention. That is correct. An appeal for immigrant detention. That is the correct answer. It has to do with an immigration case. Okay. Question number 4. What fee did a court temporarily restore for certain H-1B visa petitions? Now, this is a large dollar amount that I will give you, and it's think bigger than 4 figures, think higher, think higher. But the options are A, $10,000, B, $50,000, or C, $100,000. What do we think it is? Remember, I said think a larger dollar amount. Larger. So this should actually be an easy one because I've kind of given you guys all the clues. 50,000. Oh, unfortunately, that is wrong. 50,000 was close. It's basically half of 50,000. It's 100,000. C is the correct answer. So H-1B visa petitions, the fee is now $100,000. Okay, well, we're moving on to our last question. Remember, this is our winner takes all question. So whoever wins this question and gets it right wins the entire consultation. So it's regarding AI in immigration facilities, okay? I hope everyone is ready. The final question is, what technology did ICE expand its use of in immigration detention facilities? I want you guys to think newer technology, think about computer systems that can whiz through information, that can analyze a bunch of different information, right? So the three options are artificial intelligence or AI, B, facial recognition passports, or C, automated court hearings. What do you guys think? Remember, this is the question that determines all. Okay, I'm going to give you the question and the options again. What technology did ICE expand its use of in immigration detention facilities? Is it A, artificial intelligence? Is it B, facial recognition passports? Or is it C, automated court hearings? Remember, I said that this answer has to do with newer technology, right? Think about something that computer systems can use to analyze information. That's the hint I'm going to give. Let's see who's going to get the right answer. Remember, question 5, which is this question, is winner takes all. Definitely has to be AI. Ah, that is correct. So the correct answer is artificial intelligence, which is A, and GP7C. You are correct. That means that you've got it right and you are a winner for the free consultation. Woo! Absolutely fabulous. So you can send us an email to claim your prize. The email is samiamurat at immigrationquestion.com, which is SAMEEAMOERAT at IMMIGRATIONQUESTION.com. And to everyone else, thank you so much for participating. Remember that these updates that immigrationquestion.com shares, they affect real people and real cases. So it's really important to stay informed about the things that are going on around you and the things that really matter. I want to thank everybody for joining our June edition of immigrationquestion.com's live trivia. You guys can head over to immigrationquestion.com to check out our latest blogs, to check out our latest news. And you've just heard some of it live, so you can subscribe so you can get ready for the next round, which will be our July edition at the end of next month. You can also follow us on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and you can keep asking different types of questions. And we'll be back next month with more trivia, more updates, and more giveaways. So we hope to see you all next time, and we wish you luck with your immigration journey. Thank you.